Ito kami ngayon sa Lasangan. Grabe oh, ang dami siguro ditong mga tinatawag nilang alimasag. Limango. Grabe, ang hirap ng buhay dito sa Mindanao. Enjoyment lang, hirap lang kumita ang pera dito. Sa gabi siguro dito, di na ako malalabas ng bahay. Grabe siguro kadilim dito ba? Oh, grabe yung lugar. Wala daw putik. Wala bang putik yan? Oh? Grabe hirap na. Mga butas ng mga ano yan? Alimango? Ano ba yung kumong-kumong kay salakyan to? O shout out dyan sa mga taga-Europe. Sabihin nyo sa akin pag gusto pumunta ng Pilipinas. If you want to go here, just prepare your money and prepare yourself. Because it's very hard here. But it's very adventure is good here in the Philippines. All my friend and colleagues there in Kim Johansen. Someday, and especially to the HR. And all the dispatcher, my friend Jacob. Go here in the Philippines together with me. And then we go to the mountain and go to the sea. See? You can see everything here. The weather is good. The weather is hot. Not like there is so very cold. Oh, you see? So, my friend, all my colleague, and Kim Johansen Transport. Grabe yung bahay. Di ko mabuhay dito ay. I'm so very now I'm very brown. Black brown. Going to my cousin live in beside of the sea. It's hard to stay here. Asa ilahang balay? Asa? Layo pa di ay? Asa dagat dire? Asa ta maligo? Babalik pa pod? Balik pod? Go to their house. Their house is the middle of the rice planting and very near in the seashore. Bisan lugaw okay na kay tati makakain tayong lugaw ah. Ayun bahay niya oh. Asa may agi anigaw. Tuchor to. Ano ba? Layo mong balay ilang. Layo sa pagintulay. Oh. Wagi ra sami. Tanawa lagi. Pero enjoyment, my goodness. Kanima ako I'm already in the Philippines in Mindanao. The life here is very hard. Hard but happy. Know that? This is a rice planting. Everybody is planting the rice here. And sometimes they go to sea and catch fish for their livelihood program, for their life here. You see, so very far. Walking in the sun, under the sun, it's very hot. Maybe the temperature is 32, 32 or 27. What do you think, my cousin? What is the temperature right now?
32.
Oh, maybe 32. So very hot. Not there in Europe, so very cold. Almost 5, 10, 7. 7 degree lang dito sa Europe. Oh. Here is 37, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Di wow, baka maumay na kayo.